Common rail is now the most common fuel system in diesel vehicles. Deeper knowledge of how common rail technology works across vehicle makes and system manufacturers is a big advantage when it comes to troubleshooting. This course starts by covering the basics of operation and requirements for fuel ignition in a combustion chamber. It then examines the whole fuel system from tank to injector, covering the key components and how they operate. Special focus is given to adjusting the injection pressure. The course also delivers clear explanations for high pressure and flow control and how they work in combination. The final part of the course covers troubleshooting. Problems are often indicated by fault codes or symptoms, but this course will teach you how to build up a full picture by checking mechanical operation and fuel flow first. Simple tips and methods are provided to help you reach correct conclusions and carry out your work in a logical sequence. As a result of taking this course, you will increase your understanding of different common rail systems and be better positioned to understand the symptoms of the most common problems and the faults behind them. The examples and guidelines included will help you to troubleshoot and achieve clear results from your investigations.